Hello, 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 all my yarny friends. I am so sorry that this video is so late today. I had an appointment this morning to get my nails done. Got those done, looking much better. And I thought, I thought I had my Witchy Wednesday. Oh my goodness, my Witchy Wednesday project done. And what is going on with that? I thought I had my Witchy Wednesday project done, and I did not. So for the last hour, I have been going crazy, stitching like a mad woman, crocheting like a crazy woman, trying to get my witch done for Witchy Wednesday, for the BooTube Spirit Week. And I finished it. Now, this was a witch pattern. It was a pot holder, but I used my acrylic yarn, so it's going to be more like just hanging up on the wall or somewhere for a Halloween decoration. But here we go. Let me get her positioned right. You see her? Here's the hat. Here's her little witchy hat and her body. It's just a flattened out witch. There's her feet. There's her shoes. Ah, there it is. She's got her broom and she has hit something, so she's flat. And it, like I said, if you make it with cotton yarn, you can use it as a pot holder. But I just wanted it for decoration. Let me bring this camera down. Maybe that'll help you to see it. There we go. So I wanted her to just be for decoration. So there we go. There's my little witchy pot holder slash wall decoration for Witchy Wednesday. And I do have my projects done for Gorgeous Thursday, and Funny Bones Friday. Those are done. So I won't have to go crazy trying to get my project done. But there's my little witch. And I just want to remind you guys that today at 2 p.m., it is almost noon here. It's about 5 minutes till 12 on Wednesday afternoon. In about 2 hours at 2 p.m. Central, 3 p.m. Eastern, right here on Critters Crochet, we will have our Battle of the Stitches live. Heather and I will be joined with Paige from Paige Loves Pumpkins and Camille from Camille's Crochet and Camille's Creative Crochet. And so make sure that you join us at 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, right here today. And we are going to go live. We will let you know whose projects got the most votes. And then we will also let you know, we'll pick a name from one of you who voted, and you are going to get to choose one of the projects as your prize. So this is just a real quick one today. I will see you at 2 o'clock, and I hope you have a great afternoon. See you at 2. Bye, guys.